My beautiful people, this is your boy Oscar Ntege again with yet another amazing episode. In this particular episode, we are shooting a baby. Oh, I mean a child. Let's dive into this. Before we dive into this particular episode, please take a minute to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you love it, and don't forget to leave a comment below.
This was a birthday shoot for this little boy, and we had to get him a crown. The crown wasn't fitting enough, so we decided to improvise and do some masking tape and duct tape behind it so that it can fit on the boy's head. We hired also a stylist to come and do some styling on the boy so that we do a purely glamour shoot for him, and it was really all a beautiful experience. So the whole challenge was about making sure that the boy faces the camera to avoid showing the mess that was taking place behind him. Interact with the kids so that they loosen up a little bit and you get those moments out of them. That is why we have those ladies seated at the side. The one thing about photographing children is that you have to keep it simple and stupid. Don't make it so complex.
You smile. Yeah.
His eyes are in the camera as well.
He's going to speak wow. Whoa! Yeah.
Thank you for watching this video. It was a nice time having you around. I hope to see you again in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't. But why haven't you yet subscribed to my channel sincerely? Hey, subscribe right now. I'm waiting for you.